Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we'll solve problem on sacrifice ratio. So last video we have solved problem on sacrifice ratio when old ratio of old partners, share of new partners, share acquired by the new partner from the old partners and the share surrendered by the old partner. Let's see the case number 4. When the old ratio of old partners and new ratio of all partners is given in the problem. Example, Anant and Sumant are partners sharing profits and losses. So old partners are Anant and Sumant and their old profit sharing ratio is 3 is to 2. They admitted Rajat into the partnership. So the new partner is Rajat. The new profit sharing ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 3. So new profit sharing ratio ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ of all three partners, Anand, Sumant and Rajat. That is 4 is to 3 is to 3. Calculate sacrifice ratio of Anand and Sumant. So what we have to do? We have to calculate the sacrifice ratio of old partners, that is Anand and Sumant. Let's start the solution. So to calculate the sacrifice ratio, formula is sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Okay. So we have to calculate sacrifice ratio of Anant and Suman. So old ratio ಏನಿದೆ? Old ratio of Anant and Sumant is 3 is to 2. ಇದನ್ನ share ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 3 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5. 3 plus 2 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. New share is to new ratio. New ratio of Anant and Sumant is okay. 4 is to 3 is to 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 Anant, 3 Sumant and 3 is Rajat. Okay, new part in the last ಇರ್ತದೆ. So we'll take here only Anant and Sumant's new ratio. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 is to 3. Okay, total ಮಾಡುವಾಗ Rajat portion ಸಹ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಅನಂತಿಂದು ನ್ಯೂ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ನ್ಯೂ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 4 divided by 10 and Suman 3 divided by 10. New ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A 4 divided by 10, Anant 4 divided by 10, Suman 3 divided by 10 and Rajat 3 divided by 10. Let's calculate the sacrifice ratio of Anant. Anant sacrifice share ಅಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 divided by 5. 3 is to 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 divided by 5. New share, Anant new share is 4 divided by 10. 4 is to 3 is to 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 divided by 10. 5 ಮತ್ತು 10 LCM ತೆಗೀರಿ 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಎಷ್ಟರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 ಬರ್ತದೆ 2. Multiply 3 2s are 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ 10 ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 4 ಬರೀರಿ. From 6 minus 4 answer is 2 divided by 10. So Anant sacrifice share is 2 divided by 10. Next Sumant sacrifice share. Old share of Sumant is 2 divided by 5. And Sumant new share is 3 divided by 10. LCM same 10. It is multiply 2, 2 2s are 4 and here same from 4 minus 3, 1. So Suman's sacrifice share is 1 divided by 10. Therefore, sacrifice ratio of Anant and Sumant is Anant 2 divided by 10 and Sumant 1 divided by 10. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ratio 2 is to 1. So sacrifice ratio of Anant and Sumant is 2 is to 1. Got this calculation? When old ratio of old partners and new ratio of all partners is given in the problem. The last case, case number 5, when the old ratio of old partners, share of new partner, and also the ratio in which remaining share is shared by the old partner is given. Let's see the example. Rocky and Vicky are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:5. Old partners are Rocky and Vicky and their old ratio is 7:5. They admitted Mickey in the partnership and gave him 1/4 share. New partner is Mickey and new partner share is 1/4. Rocky and Vicky agreed to share the remaining share in the ratio of 2:1. Calculate sacrifice ratio. So Rocky and Vicky have agreed to share the remaining share. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಏನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರದ್ದು 1/4 ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಆ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತಹ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಅವರು 2:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಶೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, before calculating this sacrifice ratio, first we have to find out remaining share. Let's start the solution. Remaining share is equal to total share, total profit now 1 ಅಂತ imagine ಮಾಡೋಣ, minus share of new partner. New partner in a share is to 1/4. 1 minus 1/4. Okay, 1 minus 1/4. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. 1. So, 4 ಮತ್ತು 1 LCM 4 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 1s are 4 minus 1. So, remaining share is to 3 divided by 4. Okay. Remaining share is 3 divided by 4. Next, we'll calculate new share. New share is equal to remaining share into agreed ratio. First, we'll calculate Rocky's new share. Remaining share ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. That is 3 divided by 4. And agreed ratio is 2:1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ Rocky's ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ share? 2 divided by 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 divided by 3. Remaining share is 3 divided by 4 into new agreed ratio is 3. Agreed share is 2 divided by 3. Multiply this. 3 2s are 6. 4 3s are 12. Then I simplify ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 1 divided by 2. So Rocky's new share is 1 divided by 2. Got this? Next, Vicky's new share. Old share is same, remaining share is same 3 divided by 4 into agreed share is 1 divided by 3. Multiply. 3 1s are 3, 4 3s are 12. Then simplify madri. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 1 divided by 4. So Vicky's new share is 1 divided by 4. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ new share ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. Now we'll calculate sacrifice share. Sacrifice share is equal to old share minus new share. Rocky's sacrifice share. Old share is, okay, old ratio of Rocky and Vicky is 7:5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 divided by 12 ಆಯ್ತು. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And Vicky is 5 divided by 12. So old ratio of Rocky 7 divided by 20. New share ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. That is 1 divided by 2. 12 ಮತ್ತು 2 LCM 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. Then 6 1s are 6. So 2 into 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 12. So LCM of 12 and 2 is 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 7 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಈಗ 2ಗೆ 6 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 ones are 6. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 1 divided by 12. Next is Vicky's sacrifice share. Old share is 5 divided by 12 minus new share is 1 divided by 4. 12 ಮತ್ತು 4 LCM 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ 5 4 ಇಂದ 4ಗೆ 3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ 3 3 2 3 ones are 3. From 5 minus 3, 2 divided by 12. Sacrifice ratio of Rocky and Vicky is Rocky 1 divided by 12 and Vicky 2 divided by 12. So the final answer is, I hope you got this calculation. If you have any doubts, please write in comment. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.